Welcome, Royal Family, to lesson 4 of the African Math, Mancala Math 10 frame game. And we're going to have fun teaching you how to count to 10 and 20 and 30 and 40 and beyond. What we're going to start to do is we're going to have fun with a little review. If you remember from our previous lesson, we had fun counting and drawing our ancient African numbers or ancient African numerals. Did you know that Africans used to use their own counting system for thousands of years? Yes, what we're using to count today is we're using a fun toy that we used thousands of years ago called the African abacus. And we're going to have fun counting into the African abacus. And we're going to learn how to count odd and even. So what I'm going to teach you today is that 1 is the odd one out, 2 is even. Like, have you ever seen twins? Twins grow from the word two, and they represent being even. So right now we have 1, odd one out, 2, which is twins, and now we have 3, which is an odd one out. Counting in, we have 4, even, 5, odd, because we have the odd one out, 6, even, 7, odd, the odd one out, 8, even, 9, odd, the odd one out is here, odd one out, and then we have 10. Okay, so we have 10 total. What we're going to do is we're going to go get some of our friends, and we're going to have them come out and play with us. So we're going to count our friends out. Let me see. Put my friends over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to close that. And now we have our friends on our play space, and we're going to count to 10 with our happy friends. We're going to count here. We have 1. And right now she's the odd one out. But she needs a friend pair. So we're going to give her a friend, and now they're even. 2. We have 3. She's the odd one out. Now we need to give her a friend. That's 4, which is now even. We have 5. Now he's the odd one out, which means he needs a friend. So we're going to bring in 6. Now there's a total of 3 pairs. Counting by 2, we have 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Counting by ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting by 3, we have 3, 6. Okay. Counting on from 6. Is 6 an even number or an odd number? If you said even, you are correct. Now we have our friend here. She's the odd one out, 7, which is that even or odd? Is the number 7 even or odd? If you said 7 is odd, you are correct, because we have our friend here who is the odd one out. So we're going to give her a nice friend pair. After 7, we have a quantity of 8. Counting on from 2, counting by 2s, you're going to count 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. To count by 2s is very easy. Just count one number aloud and count the other number silent. I'm going to count 1 silent, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that's how you count by twos. Just count one number silent till you get it fast. And you can just say, okay, this is 2, 4, 6, 8. And that's how you count by twos. Counting on from 8, we have 9. Is 9 odd or even? Are you seeing the pattern? I wonder if you said 9 is an odd number, you're correct, because we have a friend here is the odd one. Counting on from 9, we have a friend that we're going to make 10. Okay, so now we have 10 friends. Let's count our friends. We're going to count on by twos. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's how you count by twos. Okay, I'm going to take a beat here. We're going to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can also count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next lesson, I'm going to show you this fun House of 10 game. Basically, the game makes it so easy for us to group our friends into larger groups. And I look forward to having fun with you playing the House of 10 game in our next lesson. Until then, remember, education is preparation for the next generation to inherit their nation. Till next time, happy learning.